Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today another traditional breakfast recipe from South India which is quite popular, and that is idiyappam and a vegetable stew. Lovely combination. So first we will make the stew. For that we need to take coconut milk. To extract coconut milk, I have taken 2 cups of fresh grated coconut. To this we will add some water, preferably add some warm water, and grind it in your mixer jar. See, we have blended it in the mixer jar. Now just filter it out and extract the thick coconut milk. So this is called the first coconut milk. We'll keep this aside. Now put this back into the mixie jar, and again we'll add more water to it. And same way we'll extract the second coconut milk. So this is the second extract. So this will be a little more dilute. This is the second coconut milk. Similarly, again put it back in the blender jar, add more water and extract milk for the third time. This time also squeeze out the coconut milk by pressing it down like this. You can even filter it through a clean white cloth if you have. This is the third extract of coconut milk. So you can see the first one will be thick coconut milk, this is more dilute, and this is a more watery coconut milk. Now we are ready to make this stew. For that, first heat a teaspoon of butter in a pan. Next add in 1 bay leaf. Here I have some cardamom powder. You can add whole cardamoms too. I am just adding quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, a small bit of cinnamon, and 5 or 6 cloves. Next 2 green chilies I have slit and added, and 1 onion sliced. Saute the onions in this butter. For making the stew, I have taken 1 potato, peeled, chopped, and kept it in water. And here some mixed vegetables. We have a green peas, beans, French beans, carrot, and a few florets of cauliflower. When the onions become translucent, we can add all the vegetables one by one. So in go the potatoes and the remaining vegetables too. Toss them together and let them cook in this butter for just 2 or 3 minutes. Now add salt to taste. For cooking the vegetables, we will cook them in this coconut milk. So I have taken the third coconut milk, the third extract, which is quite dilute. Cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Now it is boiling well and the vegetables are half cooked, not completely cooked. At this stage, we will add in this second coconut milk. Again cover it and cook till done. Now again check if the vegetables are cooked. So let me just check a potato and see. See, the vegetables are done. Now finally to add this first coconut milk or the thick coconut milk. Keep the flame low and allow it to boil just for 1 minute. Don't boil too much after adding the first extract. See, are perfectly done vegetable stew. I am just adding a pinch of black pepper to it. Switch it off and finally add in a teaspoon of lemon juice to it. So lovely healthy vegetable stew with the goodness of coconut milk and all these lovely fresh vegetables. This is a great accompaniment to dosas, appam, idiyappam. So today along with this I will show you how to make idiyappam. Here I have 1 cup of rice flour. I have taken idiyappam flour today. This is readily available in the markets and online too. I can give you the link in the description box. Or even if you have regular store bought rice flour, but it should be very fine rice flour. That is the basic thing. And over a low flame, just dry roast it till it becomes hot. Today I have used this idiyappam or kodakattai flour. Very fine flour and you get a very good idiyappam with this. Sure to keep the flame low. You don't want the rice flour to change color. Now it has become quite hot. I am removing it onto another big bowl. Add a pinch of salt to this. Here I have some hot water. So we will add this hot water little by little and mix the idiyappam flour. Now don't add too much water to it. You just have to add little by little depending on the quality of the rice flour. The quantity of water may vary. This is some coconut oil. Just add about a teaspoon of coconut oil to this. And again mix it well. Transfer this. See, when it comes together like this, when you are able to just handle it when it is warm, allow all the flour to come together like this. Keep it covered with a wet cloth till you are ready to make the idiyappams. In a steamer, keep some water for boiling, and meanwhile you can just grease your steamer plates, or if you just have an idli plate, that's also fine. I am using coconut oil itself because the flavor of that along with this vegetable stew goes very well together. Now I am going to use the save press. I have taken the plate with the tiny holes. Take a portion of the dough. Place it in your save press. squeeze out this lovely soft idiyappam like this onto your steamer plate. You can make even individual idiyappams like this, small ones on your idli plate. The water is boiling now. Now place this idiyappams for steaming. Steam it over a medium flame for about 6 minutes. See, the idiyappams have steamed well. Wet your hand and touch it. It should not stick to your fingers. Now we can switch this off. Carefully remove the plates. And lovely steaming hot soft idiyappams are ready for you. See, similarly we can squeeze out the remaining dough also. It's very easy to squeeze it out using this save press. Just ensure that there is sufficient water and it is nice and hot before you place it in the steamer. So now we are ready to serve our steaming hot idiyappams along with vegetable stew. Lovely soft idiyappams. So you can serve this for breakfast or dinner too. A very healthy combo of this steamed idiyappam and vegetable stew. If you don't want to make idiyappam or you find it might be difficult, then you can even serve it along with dosa. That is also a good combination, or with appams, whichever you are comfortable with. This stew goes very well with all of them. But this method of making is very easy. Try it out in a small quantity and let me know how you feel about it. Today I have not added ginger and garlic to this stew. Some people like to add ginger garlic paste. So if you are doing that, just crush a teaspoon of ginger and garlic together like this. And when you fry the onions and the whole spices, next add the ginger garlic paste, fry that also, then add the vegetables, and the rest of the process is the same. Yes, clean பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
What happened?
I had crushed ginger and garlic in this for putting in the stew. I totally forgot it was here, but மறந்து போயிடுச்சு. I don't know how I forgot about this. Now what to do? I have already completed the stew. What to do? Okay, I will tell them in the video that today I have made it without onion and garlic, and how they can add it. I will tell that also. We will take a clip and add that.
Okay, we can do that.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we will meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.